guys, I'm Patty. This is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making yellow squash patties, fried yellow squash patties. And what I've got going on here is I've got my KitchenAid shredder out. And I'm not going to go through the thing, but I've got some yellow squash that we put up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to shred this up. And then when the squash is shredded, I'm going to set it in a colander for about half an hour with about 2 teaspoons of salt on top of it so it can get all the water out. And then I'm going to, after the squash is shredded, I'm going to shred this onion. Then I'll bring you back for everything else. So we'll be back in very shortly. Alright guys, I'm back. I've let this sit for half an hour and drained. I think I made a little bit more than I should have, but that's okay. You're going to add an egg. You need a cup of flour. You don't want to add any more salt to it. And you want a half a cup of cornmeal. Of course, you have to get the lid off, of course. And over here on my burner, and oh God, I hope it don't take forever, I've got a skillet going with some vegetable oil in it. And then you want to add about a cup of shredded cheese. Let me stir this up first because I got the egg in there. I had these in the freezer, and I took some out earlier this morning, and we found out that with that shredder, it's better to do them frozen. And these things are still ice cold. I'm going to add some pepper before I add the cheese. I've never had these, but I'm hoping they're good. I like it. Everything in them. Kind of like a squash casserole fried up. If that makes any sense. Make sure you get the cheese all over the place. That's the best way. Nice try. I cannot make anything without dropping it and spilling it. Making a mess, but hey. That's what makes me me. I'm the one that cleans up the kitchen most of the time. Alright guys. We know this is going to be a long drawn out process and these are a lot. But I'm going to drop these. Oh, it's ready. Darn. And you want to cook these about 3 minutes each side. So, now I know I'm cooling down this oil a little bit because like I said, the frozen ones we put in there made it ice cold. So like I said, I'm not going to make y'all sit here and watch all this. So it's 3 minutes each side. And then whenever I'm getting ready to take the last batch out, we'll bring you back. Stop it. Alright guys, I did not make that full bowl. I figured we could have them again. I can't wait to taste these. Got some crispy chunkies in them, I'm telling you like that. Shut up. Alright guys, our fried yellow squash patties are ready. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you like your yellow squash. Or if you like yellow squash. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share this out on social media. Alright guys, they're ready. Bye.